What if the cold, fizzy Pepsi you enjoy on a hot day is quietly changing your body in ways you've never thought about? From the first sip to the hours that follow, your body goes through a powerful internal reaction that most people never notice. Welcome back to Health Effects, the channel where we uncover what everyday foods and drinks actually do inside your body, and today we're taking a deep, honest look at what really happens when you drink Pepsi. The moment Pepsi touches your tongue, your taste buds send an instant signal to your brain, triggering a release of dopamine, the chemical responsible for pleasure and reward. That rush of happiness feels good, comforting, even addictive, but it's temporary. Within the first 10 minutes, a massive amount of sugar rapidly enters your bloodstream, causing your blood sugar levels to spike. Your pancreas jumps into action, releasing insulin to bring those levels down, and when this happens again and again, day after day, it can slowly push your body toward insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. As the sugar spreads, the caffeine begins to take effect, blocking adenosine, the chemical that tells your brain you're tired. You feel more alert, more focused, maybe even energized, but this energy is artificial and short-lived. Your heart rate slightly increases, blood pressure rises, and your body enters a mild stress response without you even realizing it. As Pepsi moves into your stomach, the carbonation expands, causing bloating and pressure, while phosphoric acid increases stomach acidity, which can irritate the digestive lining and worsen acid reflux for many people. About 30 to 40 minutes later, your dopamine levels drop, the caffeine high fades, and your body starts craving another hit of sugar or caffeine, leaving you feeling tired, moody, or unfocused. This crash is why many people reach for another soda without thinking. Over time, regular Pepsi consumption adds empty liquid calories that don't make you feel full, leading to weight gain, belly fat, and increased risk of fatty liver disease. The high sugar content feeds harmful bacteria in the mouth, increasing tooth decay and enamel erosion, while the acids can weaken bones by interfering with calcium absorption. Even diet versions, though sugar-free, can still confuse your metabolism and train your brain to crave sweetness more intensely. Drinking Pepsi occasionally won't destroy your health, but turning it into a daily habit slowly shapes your body from the inside out. The real danger isn't one bottle, it's repetition. So the next time you open a Pepsi, remember it's not just a refreshing drink, it's a chemical conversation with your body, and small choices repeated every day can quietly decide your long-term health. If this made you think differently, subscribe to Health Effects, like the video, and share it with someone who needs to hear the truth.